In this video, I will show you how to assign macros to the F keys on your Logitech G512 X keyboard. First of all, we're gonna have to connect our keyboard to the PC and launch the G Hub application. Open our keyboard view, then go to Assignments menu on the sidebar, select the base layer, and then select the function key you want to assign a macro to. For example, F5, click Remap, then in Assignments, you're gonna have to select Macro, and then we can either select an existing macro or create a new one by clicking Create Macro, naming it anyhow. I'm just gonna create a new macro that performs exactly the same function as F5. Let's record it. Record as 3 keystroke. Stop the recording. Save the macro. Select it. Confirm. Confirm once again. Of course, we can also add some additional modifiers and change the event type from standard clicking to pressing, holding, and or releasing the F5 button. And then we can right away use our assigned function key to perform this macro. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.